That's so cute. I wish they could run outside with you though, more. It's a burnout camper. Somebody must have been here. Who's been here? Oh, I didn't finish my tea. A mystery voice. A mystery voice means I push a random button on my Go XLR. Wait, actually, give me a number between 1 and 6. Pick a number between 1 and 6. Alright, I saw 4 first. Oh no. I think you're not going to like this one. I think you're not going to like this one. They have names now, so they no longer need the mystery voice. Okay. I mean,